Hello, children! Mother and Father of all creation here. We got Volcano and Light and Suns. Hey, Micah the Maestro, how you doing? We got Big Kev here. We got Luna the Mama Moon here. And the rest of the team all supporting your love and your vibrations to come together with your angels and demons, you know. As long as you're blaming yourself, right? You're always going to look at man and woman, heaven and hell, or vice versa. I mean, I'm telling you. Get over it. Thank you. Thank you. We love rains. Joy reigns too. You come home late, come home early. You come home big when you're feeling small. You come home straight and you come home curly. Sometimes you don't come home at all. So tell us what in the world's come over you. What in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. Hell, you're out there running just to be on the run. Well, I've got a heart that burns with a fever, and I got a word and a jealous mind. Oh, yeah. How can a love that lasts forever? Come on, children. Get left so far behind. Now what in the world's come over you? Helen, what in hell's name have you done? Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. I said you're out there running just to be on the run. It's a mighty mean and a dreadful sorrow, and it's crossed that evil line today. How can we ask you about tomorrow, baby, when you ain't got one word to say? Love is one and joy reigns too. So what in the world's come over you? Come on, what in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. Hell, you're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run. So what in the hell come over you? Get them, children. We love you so much. Can you see that? Look closely now.